Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Brie from With Love Brie, and today I'm going to be doing a Scrap Diva Designs unboxing. I had originally planned to get this out yesterday, but there was a emergency that happened with my grandpa. I ended up having to follow the ambulance to the hospital with him. If you guys know, I had posted about him getting diagnosed with lung cancer, stage 4. And yeah, it's kind of been... Today's visit was definitely not a visit that I wish I was at. And so luckily my aunt, she came from Los Angeles and was able to revive me, came home to the kids, and now I'm making a video. It's about 2 a.m. So, yeah, I just thought I would go ahead and get this out there for you guys so you guys can get your lists ready for the new Scrap Diva Designs release. If I do sound a little shaky in my voice, it's just been a long day. So let me go ahead and just share with you guys the release here. Okay, and like I've said before, I am a part-time designer for Scrap Diva. I was full-time before, but now I am a part-time. And so I do choose the dies that I want to work with. And you guys, if you guys remember my Hobby Lobby haul, which I will put a little card up here, I created my own little disco cowgirl collection, and this is the reason why. So right off the bat, as you guys can see, it is cowboy cowgirl theme, and it is also disco. So I thought it was so perfect that Hobby Lobby had it. So these are the dies I chose. The first one here that I have is the cowboy boot, and it's a Cowboy Boots mini album. But look at how cute this boot is. It's a really large size. And then there's this one right here that coordinates with it, and it is the cowboy hat mini album. So we have a cowboy hat mini album as well as the boot. And then here's this one called Cowboy Bundle. So you get the hat, the boot in smaller sizes, which is perfect. I love small dies. And you also get the little horseshoes, and you get 2 different designs. And then look at these tiny little hearts that die cut. So adorable. Can't wait to play with this die. Is there, what comes behind it? Oh, it's a little cactus. And behind it. Yeah. So behind here, there's a little cactus. I will be sharing some projects with this, so keep an eye out for that. Okay, and then I also grabbed this. This is the Saloon mini album. So a lot of mini album dies, but a lot of these dies I don't really use for mini albums. So you guys have seen me create other things with mini album dies, so you don't have to use them for mini albums. Don't get discouraged when you see that word. You can always use it for other things. So I did get that one. And I did ask for the Cowboy Words. So there's like cowgirl, wanted, E, I'm sure ha is in there. Yeah, ha. Let's go. West, probably some other ones, but you'll see more of this soon. And then this is a shaker die, and it is the Sheriff Star shaker set. So you get a large size and a small size, and you get little circles to create the confetti with. And you guys already know I had to grab this one right here. This is the Wanted Poster nesting set. So it has like the torn edges, and you get different sizes. I thought that was cute. And you guys, I apologize for the glare. Okay, and then got this one here. So these ones she thrown in, so I'm really happy about that. So thank you, Erica, for throwing in some things. This is a cowgirl stamp. This ain't my first rodeo. Gee, thanks. Howdy, 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 howdy. Bless your heart. Let's go, girls. And then you got a little cowgirl and some cowgirl boots. So these are really cute. I'm loving these boots. I actually can't wait to work with that. And then here is a disco ball mini album. So I'm kind of glad she threw this in here because, again, it was a disco cowgirl themed kit that I created. And in all honesty, none of this has to do with like the disco theme because I don't really, you know, work with disco, but she threw it in here. So now I can create one. So this is going to be really adorable. So thank you, Erica, for adding that in. And then if you guys remember this A2 gift box I have talked about, you guys, she threw that in here. She did message me, and I am just so grateful for her. She sent me the A2 box. So now I have the box to work with on top of the frame die. So I'll make sure to share with you guys how that looks with the actual box in case you guys are interested in it. So there it is, you guys. The new release here, which is Cowgirl, or like cowboy disco themed. She has a couple other dies, so just be sure to keep a lookout for those. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a sneak peek of the new release. I will make sure to repost this so that way when you guys are reminded. And I'm just so excited to share with you guys all the projects that I'm going to make with this using the kit that I had made. I will make sure to have that link down below as well as at the end of the video and, you know, sometime in the middle of the video as well. But I hope you guys have a great day, whatever day it is that y'all are watching this. If you guys are interested in buying any other dies, I'll have my affiliate link down below. I do make a small commission from that, so thank you to everyone that does use it. But yeah, you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!